Hi everyone. Today we are listening to the most important skills for a DBA, backup and recovery. We try together how to do this and how we save our data. Backup and recovery, think of the backup like insurance policy. If your server breaks, the backup save your job and save your company. We use tool called RMAN Recovery Manager. Let us start it and we see how to do this. First of all, we have to check our database. This is the way. We have to check it. Is it in archive mode or not non-archive mode? We see here it is in archive mode. So this is the main point. We have to make our database in archive mode so that we can able to make a backup. Okay. We go from here. If it is not in archive mode or non-archive mode, so we have to do this. It is very easy. It is some command you have to do it, and you have to put your database in amount state and alter database archive mode. So it will be in archive mode. I will leave you the command so you can do this. Okay. So now we need to go to RMAN to learn how to make backup from RMAN tools, Oracle RMAN tools. So if you write RMAN, we go directly to RMAN. Connect target so that we can connect our database. Sorry, spelling target. So now we are connecting to RMAN to our database CDB1 DBID. So now we need to make backup for our database. We write the command backup database plus archive log. This is the first thing we want to learn from RMAN, how to make a backup, full backup for all the database. Enter. We see here is backup everything in the database. Plus consider this the table space name system sysux undo and consider test table space that I created to test the second scenario. We will learn it together. And the third table space is users 01. So now the backup is finished. We see here control file. We will learn about this later. Is backup it auto backup, and our backup place it here is the directory where the backup is placed there. And here we see backup set complete at time 001. Finish backup at 12 February 26. So now our backup is finished. We check exit. We have a full backup now for all table spaces and all the tables we have in our database. We click exit and we go to the place where save the backup just to check it. ls we see this is our backup that is done. ls minus ltr, you can see February, and this is our backup. So your data now is safe. We have a backup and we use RMAN tool so that we can make a backup for all our database. In next video, I will show you how to fix a database that has been deleted using our backup that we use it. So how we use this backup in the next video if we lose files. RMAN is used for file lost by physical files, not logical files. So if I lose any table space physically, mean drop it from the operating system, so RMAN will be useful for this and solve your problems. But logically, there is another scenario. So for now, I say goodbye and see you in the next video, and we will check together how we'll do this. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, comment, and your support is really appreciated. Thank you very much. Thank you.